In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on or off the live captions on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first, open the Settings app, then scroll and select Accessibility. From here, tap on Hearing Enhancements, then select Live Caption. To turn it on, just tap on this first toggle that you see next to Use Live Caption, and it will be turned on like that. Once it's been turned on, you have all sorts of customizations you can add to your live captions. You can choose to add different languages from the ones that are already there. You can also choose to have hidden profanity, sound labels, and even caption preferences, which allows you to customize how your live captions can be seen. Then, underneath, you should see an option labeled Live Caption in Volume Control. This allows you to add a live caption shortcut to your volume control menu, making it easier to enable or disable it. So for example, when it's enabled, you'll notice in the volume control menu, the live caption icon, and you can just tap on it to enable or disable it. Alternatively, if it's disabled, then you will no longer see the icon in the volume control menu. So it's up to you to enable or disable them at your leisure. And if you wish to turn off live caption, just tap on the toggle like that and it will be turned off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.